Welcome to Surviving the Great Outdoors, Ultimate Survivalist Camping Tips and Tricks. In this video, we'll cover some of the most important tips and tricks for making the most of your camping and survival experience in the great outdoors. From finding shelter to building a fire, we've got you covered. The first step to successful camping is finding the perfect campsite. Look for a flat, dry area with good drainage to avoid water pooling in your tent. Make sure it's not too close to a body of water that could flood, and keep an eye out for any signs of wildlife in the area. Remember to always leave your campsite clean and free of litter. A fire can provide heat, light, and a way to cook food, making it an essential part of any camping trip. Look for a clear area free of overhanging branches and dry leaves. Collect dry kindling and wood from the ground, and use a fire starter or matches to get it going. Remember to never leave a fire unattended and to fully extinguish it before leaving your campsite. In the great outdoors, finding food and water can be a challenge. Look for a nearby water source, but be sure to purify it before drinking. As for food, look for edible plants or try fishing or hunting for your meals. Remember to research the area beforehand and to always follow local regulations. Staying safe in the great outdoors should always be a top priority. Make sure to bring a first aid kit and know basic survival skills such as how to signal for help. Be aware of any potential hazards such as extreme weather or dangerous wildlife. And always let someone know where you're going and when you'll be back. That's it for our Surviving the Great Outdoors, Ultimate Survivalist Camping Tips and Tricks video. Remember to always stay prepared, be mindful of your surroundings, and leave no trace when you leave your campsite. Thanks for watching.